The people will say their government if the government itself will allow them. Meaning the government actually is very complex, chaotic, difficult of a body or an organization to reckon with, to approve of, to basically accept by all the people or by all the human beings and the differentiated, significant, basically citizens inside of the country who are different, who have got a different identity in terms of religion, caste, community, language, and many other barriers or identities in every step of the way is there, and to unanimously be able to support, admire, elect a particular government, or to be able to oppose it, challenge it, defeat it, neither will be easy, simple, straightforward, anyways, because the variety, the dynamism of people, habits, actions, ideologies, religions, faiths, practices, customs, and many other basically good to minor things which are barriers and productivities inside of the democratic society or the liberal state is enormous and undeniable and inevitable also in one way or another, because everyone needs something, everyone is reaching something or someone, everyone wants to be able to go somewhere, do something, achieve something, and so on and so forth. Everyone needs something, no one needs nothing, and that is the problem. If everyone has got something to say, something to talk about, something to do, achieve, become in their lives, then obviously there will be definitive, unavoidable crises of opportunity, advantage, and also the crisis or absence of justice, equality, freedom inside the society, because the democracy is not always able to maintain unconditional freedom because of the constitutional violations, which is a safeguard and protection of all our different, various, and dynamic rights and freedoms and expressions at every step of the way, but also because the variety is so powerful and so much inside of the democratic societies, particularly India, that everyone won't necessarily have access to all of these imperatives and fundamentals and necessities in their lives for their ambitions, dreams, desires, success, and so on and so forth. That is the thing we have to understand. That democracy does not always work because it's a lame, weak, insecure sort of government that thrives on the creation of more and more problems, obstacles into our lives, which is quite artificial, such as poverty, inflation, lack of education, and injustice, inequality, discrimination. And it prolongs all those problems so that it can extend its power into the future, so that it can survive and not break apart, because it fears resistance, rebellion, and uniformity inside of the people in thought, behavior, ideology, and that's why it keeps everyone divided and disintegrated on the basis of religion, nationality, caste, language, etc., which is quite few.